Installing the Heroku CLI on Windows is simple and enables you to manage Heroku apps and services from your command line. Here's how to install it. Download the installer. Visit the official Heroku CLI download page. Click the download link for the Windows installer. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded exe file in your downloads folder and double-click it. The installation wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose Installation Settings. Accept the license agreement. Select the installation directory or proceed with the default location. Install. Click the Install button. The installer will copy files and set up the CLI on your system. Verify the installation. Open a command prompt or PowerShell. Run the following command. If installed correctly, it will display the Heroku CLI version. Log into Heroku. Use the following command. This will open a browser to authenticate your Heroku account. Start using the CLI. You can now use the Heroku CLI to manage apps, deploy projects, and configure resources.